Hello again, welcome to my channel, Lucky Bamboo. Today we're gonna do a very delicious chicken liver recipe. Uh, I got it's about a pound and a half of chicken liver right here. And chicken liver is pretty cheap and pretty very delicious. If you cook it right, really tastes delicious. And I got here some garlics. Mushroom. I use this kind of mushroom right here. It's like the straw mushroom. Some green onion, some cilantro, chicken broth, cooking wine, and of course you need salt and pepper. Let's prepare the vegetable. And chicken liver have a lot of iron. If you need some iron in your blood, yeah, eat chicken liver. That's pretty cheap too. It's in maybe a little, like maybe $2 a pound or less than $2 a pound. Very cheap. All right. Yeah. Depending on your preference, if you like more garlic, put more garlic. So just brush it like that. It's easy to remove the skin. We'll peel off the I got the mushroom right here. This is called the white beech mushroom, BEECH, white beech mushroom. You can get it from Chinese, Asian grocery store, or you can use the mushroom they sell in the store like there. So this is right here. Just cut the bottom off. I would just cut it down a little more, maybe okay, sizes. That's good. All right. We got another one right here. Do the same thing. Yeah, for mushroom, I don't think you need to clean it. It's pretty clean already. You want, but all the other vegetables I just chop up, you need to clean it up. Now the vegetable is done. Now let's do the liver. Yes, the liver is pretty cheap. $1.49 a pound, and this is about a pound and a half right here. The liver, and with the liver you want to. Right. With the liver, there's some fiber in between right there. You want to clean all that up because that's kind of a little tough. So clean up the fiber. See, you don't want this white stuff right here. Just clean it up. There's some blood. There's some blood line right there too. Just clean it all up. Some blood inside there. See a little blood coming out. You don't want that. Like clogged up blood right here. Cut into small pieces. Alright, this one is clean. Alright, I think everything chopped up. Let's cook the liver. Some olive oil in there. You don't need too much, you don't need a lot of oil, it just maybe a little teaspoon of oil. Alright. Alright, let's put in the chicken liver. Yeah, don't cook the chicken liver. Just maybe cook about 2 minutes on each side. You overcook the chicken liver, it become really rubbery. So just about 2 minutes on each side, that's about it. Yeah, turn to the other side. Flip everyone over to the other side. So we'll cook the other side. Alright, I think it's cooked. Just let's remove this from the pan. Alright, let's put a little bit of olive oil. Put in the garlic. Mushroom. Put in some cooking wine. Little bit of chicken broth. Kind of deglaze all the, see, deglaze everything out. See the put the onion in there, the green onion. Salt and pepper, a little bit of salt in there, not too much. Put back the chicken liver. Cilantro on top. That's it. Let's plate it up. It's done. So this is the final product, chicken liver with mushroom. It's a very delicious recipe and it's easy to do. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, Lucky Bamboo, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. This Lucky Bamboo. Bye bye.